Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C and numbers 1, 2, 3. Let's start. Let's learn colors name: red, pink, green, dark green, brown, pink, sky blue, orange, violet, blue, black and yellow color. Black color: A. Yellow color: B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. Green color: J. Orange color: K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. Red color: S. Sky blue color: T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Brown color: 1, 2, 3. Yellow color: 4, 5, 6. Violet color: 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.